Find index of last true value in Pandas series or DataFrame. I'm trying to find the index of the last true value in a Pandas Boolean series. My current code looks something like the below. Is there a faster or cleaner way of doing this?
You can use argmax what is the same as argmax of Andy Hayden answer. Comparing. These timings are going to be very dependent on the size of S as well as the number and position of trues. Thanks. Edit. Next solution. Edit 1. Solution. Was in deleted answer.
Use last underscore valid underscore index.
Argmax gets the first true. Use argmax on the reverse series. Here.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.